looking at our work for today. We're still looking at distributive property, and I told you guys that the distributive property, you multiply the term outside to the terms on the inside. So we're familiar with this one, with the numbers on the front, multiply the negative 6 to the 9, so I get negative 54v, then multiply the negative 6 to the other 9, and I just get negative 54. I don't combine them because one of them has a letter, the other one does not, so I just leave it alone. So this is what we have seen so far, but for today, I'm calling it distributive on any side, and the reason why I'm calling it on any side, because outside of the number outside of the parentheses could be after the parentheses and not before. So we're familiar, like for the first three, the term outside is on the left of the parentheses, but in question number 4, in some of them, the term outside will be to the right of the parentheses. And keep in mind that you have a times, that way I connect it. So I'm going to multiply the negative 3 to both of my terms on the inside. Negative 3 times 10b will give me negative 30b. And then negative 3 times negative 7 will give me positive 21. Remember, negative times a negative, it's positive, so positive 21. Once again, keep in mind, I did call it negative 3. What connects it is the times in between it. If it didn't have the times in between, let's say I had 10b minus 7, and then just a minus 3, then they're not connected. Then that will be minus 3 instead of times a negative 3. Right? Because of that times in between the negative 3 and the parentheses, I'm going to say they are connected. So do pay attention to that. Let me take a look at another question where the term is after the parentheses. So let me take a look at number 6. Once again, I see a times, so that's what connects that 6 to my parentheses. Multiply the 6 to both terms inside. I know 6 times 9x is 54x. And then 6 times 8 will give me positive 48. Again, I cannot connect them. I cannot simplify it anymore because one term has a letter, the other one does not. So I cannot combine it. All right, any questions? Yes. 12. All right, looking at question number 12, we have, let's see, let me multiply the 10x to the terms on the inside. So 10x times 3x, I know 10 times 3 is 30, but on the x's, remember, add the exponents. So I'm going to say x to the second. Now 10x times 9, let me call this 90x. All right, 10 times 9 is 90, and I just copy the x. Any other questions? No?